Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by measuring the basic ratios so every batch tastes consistent. Use 2 whole eggs per person and 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, which softens texture without thinning. Add 1 tablespoon of butter for every 2 eggs. The butter provides glossy richness and prevents sticking. Salt at the end. 1/4 teaspoon fine salt per 2 eggs enhances flavor without drawing out water while cooking. Whisk gently until blended, but not frothy to keep the curds tender and silky. Technique matters more than extras. Cook over low heat and stir constantly with a spatula to form soft curds instead of large scrambled lumps. Use a non-stick pan set to low and tilt the pan while stirring so each part cooks evenly and slowly. Remove pan from heat when eggs are about 10% underdone. Carryover heat will finish them to a creamy texture. Keep movements gentle and continuous, folding eggs rather than aggressive cutting to preserve silkiness and avoid overcooking. Enhance flavor with thoughtful add-ins added at the right time. Fold in 1 tablespoon grated cheese per 2 eggs near the end so it melts into the curds without making them greasy. Add chopped chives or tarragon, about 1 teaspoon, after cooking to maintain fresh herbal brightness. For a briny lift, finish with a few grains of cracked black pepper and a tiny pinch of flaky salt. Serve immediately on a warm plate to preserve creaminess and avoid the rubbery texture that comes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.